Welcome to Home Pantry Pro, and today we are diving deep into a versatile kitchen companion that promises to simplify your cooking routine and elevate your meal experiences. We're talking about the TOPWIT 4-liter electric hot pot, presented here in a sleek dark black finish. This isn't just another appliance, it's designed to be a multifunctional workhorse. Its substantial 4.2 quart capacity is a standout feature, measuring 3.34 inches in depth and a generous 10.43 inches in diameter. This means it can comfortably serve between 3 to 6 people, making it an excellent choice for family dinners, get-togethers, or even holiday feasts like Thanksgiving and Christmas. Imagine hosting a Shabu Shabu night or a fondue party without needing multiple pots and pans. One of the most compelling aspects of this TOPWIT electric pot is its dual power system. It offers 2 adjustable power levels. The lower setting, at 400 watts, is perfect for delicate tasks like cooking eggs, oatmeal, instant noodles, or even making pancakes. This gentle heat ensures you won't overcook these items. Then, when you need some serious cooking power, you can switch to the high setting at 1000 watts. This is ideal for searing steaks, boiling your hot pot broth, or even deep frying chicken and French fries. This adaptability truly allows it to replace several traditional stovetop cookware items, adding significant convenience to your kitchen. Portability is another key consideration the designers have addressed. Its moderate size makes it easy to store, and the dual-handle design enhances its portability. This makes it an ideal companion for camping trips, RV adventures, or simply taking it to a friend's place for a potluck or a dorm room cooking session. The non-detachable power cord is a thoughtful touch, preventing the common frustration of losing a crucial part. This TOPWIT electric pot positions itself as your go-to cooking assistant, ready to perform wherever and whenever you need it, stove or no stove. The design also includes practical features for better cooking results. The visible glass lid is a must-have for any home cook. It allows you to monitor your food's progress without lifting the lid, preventing heat loss and keeping your cooking consistent. Crucially, this lid has 4 vent holes. These are not just for show, they allow steam to escape freely, which helps to reduce internal pressure and, more importantly, contributes to more delicious and perfectly cooked dishes by preventing sogginess. When it comes to health and safety, TOPWIT has paid close attention. The inner pot boasts a food-grade non-stick coating, and importantly, it is stated to be free of BPA and PFAS. This ensures your food slides smoothly, preventing sticking and allowing you to cook with less oil and fat, promoting healthier meals. Cleanup is also made simple, with the non-stick surface easily wiped clean with water and a sponge. In terms of safety, the electric pot is equipped with overheat protection. This is a critical feature that automatically shuts off the power if the pot boils dry or overheats, providing peace of mind while you cook. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The capacity is definitely a major pro, making it great for families and small gatherings. The dual power settings offer excellent versatility, catering to a wide range of cooking methods. Its portability is another significant advantage, making it a fantastic option for those with smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or who enjoy outdoor cooking. The healthy materials and safety features, particularly the non-stick coating and overheat protection, are also strong selling points. On the con side, while the non-detachable cord is good for not losing it, it can sometimes be a minor inconvenience for storage or if you prefer to coil your cord separately. Also, while it can do many things, it won't replace a dedicated deep fryer or a high-performance oven for certain specialized tasks. However, for its intended purpose as a multifunctional electric pot, its capabilities are impressive. In conclusion, the TOPWIT 4-liter electric hot pot is a well-designed and highly functional appliance that offers a great deal of versatility for its price point. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking, enjoy communal meals like hot pot, or have a reliable portable cooking solution. It effectively combines multiple cooking functions into one convenient unit. Link in the description.